Hi there, my name is Jim. I'm the procurement specialist here at World Central Kitchen's location for relief at National Stadium in Washington, D.C. And I thought we'd take a minute just to offer some insight on one of the new West KnifeWorks knives. Doing thousands and thousands of meals every single day here for the folks in the district, in and around DC, Maryland, Virginia. It's really, really important that everything go as planned. From equipment working to food deliveries, and we all know that there's all kinds of wrinkles in the food chain and the supply chain right now, but to having the right tools and really making sure that those tools work. Obviously, we're surrounded by tons of equipment that's normally used to produce food for baseball fans. But even the small wares, the things that we work with our hands, one of those items really is our knives. The new West KnifeWorks knife line is just phenomenal. I don't know how else to describe it. I've been a fan for a really long time. Obviously the biggest piece of it that you're going to notice right away is the really cool handle. The colors of the knives are really striking, so it's kind of nice to add a little style to your toolbox, to those knives that you work with every single day. But really where the rubber meets the road is where the blade meets the cutting board. The edge on these knives is maintained, they stay sharp. This knife dances across a cutting board, but at the same time it's got some heft, it's got some rugged, really rugged, durable features to it, which makes it very dependable. And when you can depend on a tool like that, with so much going on, it's incredibly important. I like this knife a lot, obviously. The rounded spine of the blade really helps eliminate a lot of pain that you can often get from working with a knife for an extended period of time. The weight of it is such that it's durable. Again, it feels like you've got something in your hand that is functional when you're working across a lot of product on a cutting board, but at the same time it's light enough that you're not going to get that repetitive fatigue that we often get from working 12, 14, 16 hours over the course of the day. Again, I'm a really big fan. It's a very stylish knife. Obviously, you get to show a little bit of your own unique flavor and color with a knife like this, and at the same time, it's a super functional tool. So again, the new West KnifeWorks, this is the Grand Teton. Obviously, you've got the mountain range there etched on the blade. It's a super nice looking knife, but it works, and that's really what matters in a kitchen. It doesn't matter what it looks like unless it works and does exactly what it's supposed to do. Thank you so much. Much good vibes and mojo to everybody coming to you from World Central Kitchen here at National Stadium. Thank you.